Are you looking to own a piece of American history? Well, feast your eyeballs on this former Hertz Rent-a-Racer in Wimbledon White with factory-painted LeMans stripes and Guardsman Blue.
Sure, you've seen it before, but this particular 1966 Shelby GT350H was formerly owned and driven by Mr. Carroll Shelby himself, and it is going to auction at Bonham's in Scottsdale, Arizona, this month.
The racy rental cost Hertz $3,865 back in 1966, and it did a year-long tour in sunny San Diego, California.
It was likely rented for about $17 a day, at 17 cents per mile to enthusiasts before being purchased by its first owner the following year.
Under the hood, a small block 289C V8 engine powers the GT350H.
The V8 is mated to a 3-speed automatic transmission. Its second owner took it to Vancouver, Washington, and added a 1965 GT350 instrument pod with talk and oil pressure gauge, R-model apron, valve covers, radiator, roll bar, R-model wheels, and a rear spoiler, according to the auction house. Shelby bought it soon after that, and the GT has resided in his collection since then.
The spoiler was eventually removed and Shelby returned the car to its original condition over the years. The classic car goes to auction on January 18th. Shelby's GT350H is expected to fetch $150,000 to $200,000 if you are thinking about adding it to your collection.